Oh yeah, it's great. All right, welcome to a new day in the trailer. I'm gonna work on finishing up the loft area, the loft converted to bunk bed area. That's the plan. I just need to get the few more things taken out and we'll get going with this. All right, I've got all my cutting done and I'm fitting pieces right now just to see how they fit before I do some final assembly on some things. Right here, I have a 2x3 in place. I'm gonna put a 2x4, so that'll give it a little more clearance so that my board will rest above the level of the bracket, so it's not just a pressure point right there. But I'll just slide these in here really quick. You can see how it's going to fit. All right, there's piece number one. Piece number two that goes here at the front, and obviously when it's in bed mode, it's going to be down here at the lower level. But when it's up here in a storage compartment, I could leave it open like this for more storage, but it's going to be hinged so it'll come up and close it off. I'm going to have to notch those corners up there, which is fine, but you get the general idea. So right now, I'm going to just bring these down, get my piano hinge put on, and we're a little closer. So. Now, that is perfect. Okay, there it is in closed mode. I've still got to put hardware on the sides. I'm going to put a block back there, but I need to get the right size 2x4 versus 2x3 in place to be able to measure that and understand what I want to do there. And then let's put it in bunk bed mode so you get a visual on that. Ta-da! Bunk bed. This is, it's a little snug, but it works. We'll put like a 4-inch foam pad here. It's a good option. Okay, there is the bed. I'm happy with the height. I'm gonna just put the mattresses in, see how it looks, and then we'll get it all put away. There we go. We know we have a gap, but it's okay. They can both be together. One could be to one wall, one to the other, but it's great. It's, oh yeah, it's great. 6 inches of cushion. It's perfect. All right. Get these out of the way for a minute. And work on getting this over. There we go. Into travel mode. Done. It's been a good day's work. Lower bed, functional. Still needs a couple little details. Loft, bunk bed, functional. A couple little things to punch off the list for it still. We're in a good spot. All right, so if you're enjoying the content, you feel like it's been helpful to you, you want to see other things that I do here in the trailer, make sure you're subscribed so you'll get notifications in the future. So thanks for watching.